Under the golden hues of dawn, a massive industrial facility awakens, ready to turn mountain-sized piles of organic waste into something truly extraordinary and valuable today. 50 tons of discarded banana peels arrive at our gates, marking the start of a miraculous journey where common waste begins its transformation into a luxury masterpiece. What was once destined for the landfill is now the lifeblood of our factory, as we harness the hidden potential of nature's most common organic waste products. Powerful machinery begins the initial movement, guiding the raw biomass into the heart of the facility where engineering meets ecology in a perfectly synchronized industrial dance. The rhythmic hum of the conveyor belt signals the commencement of the first phase, where every single peel is prepared for a rigorous cleansing and purification process. Each step is meticulously designed to preserve the integrity of the natural fibers while stripping away the impurities of the outside world through advanced mechanical sorting. High-pressure water streams strike the surface with incredible force, washing away every trace of soil and debris to reveal the pure organic material hidden deep within. This cinematic cleansing stage ensures that only the highest quality raw materials move forward, maintaining a standard of purity that is essential for the final product. Rotating industrial brushes provide a deep mechanical scrub, ensuring the outer layers are perfectly prepared for the complex chemical and physical changes that lie ahead of them. Cleaned and revitalized, the peels now shine under the factory lights, ready for the sophisticated sorting process where technology decides which parts are worthy of the transformation. Advanced laser sensors scan every millimeter of the incoming material, identifying imperfections and foreign objects with a level of accuracy that far surpasses any human capability. The data-driven sorting system analyzes the density and moisture content of each peel, ensuring a consistent input for the delicate extraction phase that follows in the sequence. Precise robotic arms work in perfect harmony, flicking away impurities with surgical precision, leaving only the finest banana skins to continue their journey through the recycling plant. With the sorting complete, the purified material is channeled into the heart of the mechanical symphony, where the true physical metamorphosis begins to take its shape. The silence is broken by the roar of high-speed blades, designed to break down the cellular structure of the peels and release the valuable cellulose fibers within. In this violent but necessary stage, the organic matter is pulverized, shredding the skins into a raw, fibrous pulp that will serve as a base for innovation. Immense hydraulic pressure is applied to the mixture, squeezing out the natural juices and concentrated liquids, leaving behind a dense and workable mass of refined plant fibers. The extracted essence flows through a network of sterile pipes, a byproduct that will be repurposed, while the remaining solid fibers prepare for their final mechanical refinement. Every drop is accounted for in our closed-loop system, where the synergy between biological waste and mechanical efficiency creates a sustainable cycle of endless production and growth. The extracted fibers emerge as thick, pale mats, a raw material that bears no resemblance to its original form, ready to be spun into something truly beautiful. Spinning at thousands of rotations per minute, the centrifuge uses pure physics to dry the fibers, ensuring they are light, airy, and ready for the heating process. Now, light and buoyant, these fibers represent the core strength of our final product, possessing a durability and texture that rivals the world's most expensive synthetic materials. The transition continues as the fibers enter the thermal chamber, where heat and pressure will bind them together into a new, resilient structure of biological textile perfection. Precision spreaders ensure a perfectly uniform distribution of the organic material, laying the foundation for a consistent and high-quality material that meets our exacting professional standards. A scorching hot roller moves across the surface, applying intense thermal energy that fuses the fibers together, creating a solid sheet of sustainable and eco-friendly biological fabric. The factory floor is filled with the sound of escaping steam as moisture evaporates, leaving behind a cured material that is as strong as it is aesthetically pleasing. Under the crushing weight of the rollers, a transformation occurs at the microscopic level, as the natural resins of the banana peel act as a powerful binder. Calibration is key, as we push the limits of mechanical force to ensure the material reaches the ideal density required for high-end luxury goods and premium accessories. The resulting texture is a masterpiece of nature and science, featuring unique patterns that tell the story of its organic origins while providing a sophisticated modern finish. Miles of this revolutionary material roll off the production line. It's a testament to the power of recycling and the ingenuity of modern mechanical engineering in the green sector. Rapid air cooling locks the structure in place, stabilizing the material and ensuring it maintains its flexibility and strength throughout the remaining stages of the manufacturing process. Smooth and resilient, the bioleather passes through the final tension rollers, ready to be cut and shaped by the most precise tools in our advanced crafting department. Quality is our highest priority, as every square inch of the material is inspected under intense light to ensure it meets our rigorous standards for premium luxury products. Durability tests prove that this waste-derived material can withstand the rigors of daily use, offering a sustainable alternative that does not compromise on performance or long-term value. The crafting phase begins with the silent precision of laser technology, carving out intricate patterns with a speed and accuracy that traditional tools could never hope to achieve. As the laser glides across the surface, it leaves behind edges that are perfectly sealed and incredibly sharp, ready for the final assembly of our sophisticated luxury items. The pieces are carefully organized, each one a vital part of a larger design that merges the ethics of sustainability with the aesthetics of high-end fashion and art. Advanced robotics take over the assembly, moving with a fluid grace that resembles a mechanical ballet, ensuring every component is placed with sub-millimeter precision in every build. The assembly line is a marvel of automation where multiple robotic systems work in perfect harmony to transform flat pieces of material into complex, three-dimensional luxury goods. Joining the elements requires a delicate touch, using environmentally friendly adhesives that ensure a permanent bond while maintaining the natural biodegradability of the entire finished product today. The rapid fire of the industrial sewing machine adds the finishing structural touches, with high-strength thread reinforcing the seams of our premium handcrafted bio-leather accessories and bags. Every stitch is a testament to the material's integrity, proving that recycled organic waste can possess the same industrial resilience as the most expensive leather and synthetic fabrics. Attention to detail defines our process as we strive for perfection in every line and every corner, ensuring our customers receive a product of unparalleled quality and craftsmanship. The final mark of quality is applied, a logo that represents the fusion of nature's beauty and man's mechanical brilliance in the pursuit of a more sustainable future. Our journey nears its end in the sterile environment of the Quality Control Laboratory, yet where science and art meet to verify the excellence of every finished masterpiece produced. Expert hands inspect every curve and seam, ensuring that the transformation from waste to wonder is complete and that the product is ready for the world stage. The final result is a breathtaking piece of sustainable luxury, a product that carries the elegance of high fashion and the soul of environmental responsibility in its fibers. Packaging is the final touch, using paper also derived from our recycling process, completing the full circle of sustainability and ensuring a premium experience for the final owner. The Bio Premium Seal is a promise of quality and ethics, proving that the future of luxury lies in our ability to rethink waste and embrace the power of nature. From the humble banana peel to this exquisite masterpiece, we invite you to witness the infinite cycle of nature and engineering as we redefine sustainable beauty for everyone.